Let's talk about wheels. I have random wheels staggered all over the bike barn, some extra boxes there with more wheels, and some loosey-gooseys floating around. Well, technically a wheel and a section of a wheel, but it's this particular one that has led me to this video, and this video being a non-traditional video because it's actually a shout out to a viewer. I have that frame, that Axum Sport 27.5 frame that Schwinn sent me. I'm building it out, but I hit one stumbling block, and that was wheels. A 27.5 good wheel set that allows me to run a cassette. Well, I just couldn't find the other half, everything that I needed to piece that together. And if you've been shopping for wheels, they're kind of gold right now, a very precious commodity. So I thought I was either gonna have to be shelling out a lot of money or, well, just not completing a build. But cue viewer intervention, because this has come available to me. And it is another version of that, but the rear wheel for that. This is from Jake. Now, I'm not going to give out the last name or address. Don't want to dox anybody. So I'll just say it like this. Jake, if you are watching, I very, very much appreciate this. They sold this to me at basically a steal of a price. I mean, super, super cheap. I don't even think the shipping would cover the value that they gave me alone. So I'm a little worried maybe they went into the negative for this. But I want to give you a shout out, Jake. And I'm going to let you do it your way. So if you'll comment, I don't remember your viewer name. Just remember you contact me on the website. If you will post a comment, I will pin it to the top so everyone can celebrate your glory and give the thanks that you deserve for helping me complete a build. So let's just make this a little fun here. I'm going to open this up. As you can see, it's still sealed where it was shipped. And I'm going to see if I can do this all in one go. A little roughness here in the filming. Let's take a look at what Jake provided at a super, super discounted price. This should be a matching rear wheel to this. Now, wouldn't it be funny if I opened this up and it was like a Schwinn wheel or something, something like that? If I can get it out here, look at that. See that? There's the free hub, the Bontrager hubs. The Bontrager Line Comp 30, that's what this one is. So how about that? A complete matching set now. Bontrager Line Comp 30, front and now rear. And I gotta give them some credit on this too. It doesn't look very used at all. This is, well, I can see there, maybe they had tubeless setup going on, and that's awesome. I can't wait to get this put on the build and complete the build with now a very, very good wheel set. This bike was going to be built out to compete with Project Comp. It may trump Project, well, it's definitely going to trump Project Comp, even in just a wheel set. I mean, from the ground up, it's going to blow it away. So thanks, Jake. Don't forget, comment so I can pin it to the top, and everyone, give that comment a thumbs up so it can show Jake some love. I appreciate you being a viewer. I appreciate all of you being viewers, helping me make this channel a success and make these builds a success, like that Schwinn Axum Comp frame is going to be when I put these wheels on it and all the other parts that I have. Thanks so much again, Jake, and thank all of you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and look at that. You know what that means. High engagement hub. Bontrager goodness. Now I have a spare rim just in case something were to happen to one of these. Maybe I take it off a jump, land wrong, something like that. Spare rim that matches up with these other two. But the big deal is a complete wheel set now. And also, before I wrap this video up, I do want to mention it's Christmas time shopping. I've been throwing deals out there for people to take a look at. And I want to go back to a deal that I posted, the Orbit Brights LED wheel lights. I ordered a set for myself. You're going to see them upcoming on my personal e-mountain bike, especially if you ride with me on a night ride. But I want to mention they're still $396, and that is a great stocking stuffer. And I can't see who buys what, but I can see quite a few of you took advantage of that deal by clicking on the links in my video. It's a great way to support the channel, so give those a look and stay tuned for even more deals as we close in here on the end of the holiday shopping season, and even some more deals when we get to the first of the year, and it's that buy for me. Stuff that I didn't get that I wanted for Christmas that we buy for ourselves, kind of treat ourselves going into the new year. There will be more of that and some new bikes coming up. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you. Have a great day and happy holidays.